In today's video, we are going to show you how to log into Salesforce CRM step-by-step for beginners. So first, open your web browser and navigate to salesforce.com. Look for the Login button in the top right corner and click on it. Then choose Login to your account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main login page. Now you'll see the login form. Go ahead and click on Login with email if it's not already selected. Enter your registered email address in the email field. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any issues. After that, enter your password in the password field. Double check that your caps lock is off. Once that's done, click the Login button to proceed. Salesforce will now verify your credentials. You'll receive a verification code sent to your registered email address. Check your inbox and copy that code. From there, enter the verification code in the field provided. Then click Verify to complete the process. And that's how you log into Salesforce CRM as a beginner. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.